Hi, kitchen friends! If you love a simple way of cooking and food are still packed with flavors, then this channel is for you. Easy, peasy, and yummy. And welcome to Jules Flavor Bliss. And in this episode, we'll go Italian. I'll be sharing with you how to make their famous chicken scallopini. So come on, join me in my kitchen and let's get cooking. And here are the ingredients needed. In handling meat, especially chicken, we need to use a pair of gloves. We will season the chicken with pepper and salt. And chicken scallopini is derived from the Italian word scallopini, which means small scallops or pieces of thinly sliced meat. Then we dredge flour into the chicken. Dredging creates an ultra-thin coating on chicken that acts as insulation, helping keep the meat moist during cooking or baking. This light shell adds just a touch of crunch and texture, also flavors than a plain chicken. A very simple method, yet very important. So always remember this process. It will always give you flavor and texture from cooking and absorb extra flavor. That is our first cooking tip in this episode. Now we prepare the pan. We need a moderate high heat for this. Then we simply melt the butter. We will now sear the chicken. And searing is another important cooking method. In this process, it helps the meat to become moist and juicy. And will also have a very tender texture. The hot butter will simply drop all the juice or moist inside the meat. In cooking scallopini, it's up to you if you want the meat to be toasted or just slightly brown. And in my case, I'll go for that slightly brown. Then we'll add white wine. And white wine will just add a distinctive flavor to the meat. and it will also make the meat more tender. But if you don't want any liquor into your meat, just leave the wine. Yes, we just omit the wine. And then we will add lemon juice. And this will be our main flavor for this chicken scallopini. Aside from using chicken meat, you can also use pork or beef. Scallopini is a very simple way of cooking chicken breast, and yet this is packed with flavors. And for sure, your family and friends will love this. And we'll just continue to simmer it with a very low fire. And with a little touch of sugar, we'll just round off the sourness of lemon. If you want more sauce, you just add a little water. But in my case, I just want a little sauce just to cover the meat. And here is our chicken scallopini. Tcharan! So simple yet so appetizing, so yummy. And with this simple recipe, who will say you don't know how to cook? Oh, let's have some shout out time. We'd like to say hi to our kitchen friends from Como, Italy, Hazel and Beth. Hope you enjoyed my simple version of cooking. And if you want more simple version way of cooking, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button down below so that we could notify you of our future recipes. And if you have some recipes in mind, you can comment down below and let's make a simple version of it. For more easy and simple version way of cooking, please stay tuned in Jules Flavor Bliss. Thanks for watching, kitchen friends. Please stay safe, stay well, and God bless. Bye!